Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a solution or some solutions for a technical problem that I have found. Please check the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support. Please consider to like and comment down below. See you later in another video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribe my channel. You can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. Bye.